Y'all, I had to come do a real quickie review here. I don't know if you've ever tried this, but this is G After Bath Splash. It is 30 fluid ounces. It's quite large. Y'all, if you've never tried G this stuff has been around forever. I mean, I'm over 60 now, and I was using this when I was a teenager. It is light and fresh, and you don't smell like lemon pledge, but you do smell like a lemon tree. It is just so good. And now this is the G original, and it is has moisture replenishing complex, but it's 30 fluid ounces. And in case you don't know how big that is, that, well, let me see here. Here's a, just a second. Here's a ruler. That is a huge bottle. And it's, even though it is a higher end cologne, I guess is what you would call it. It's a after bath splash. It's not real expensive. This was, I went to Walgreens and got this. About once a year or so, I kind of stock up on perfumes and colognes. And I was wanting some new cologne, and I stopped by Walgreens, and they had this, and I thought, yes, I remember how good that is. Now, this is what I've been using. I've been using rose water, and I've been using orange blossom, and I've been using the Sanborn's rose and Grenada. And I don't know if this is food grade rose water, and I don't know if this is food grade orange blossom water, but I like both of them, and I love this here too. But y'all, go out and try you some G After Bath Splash. It's on the less expensive side of your colognes. Y'all, it is fresh. It is citrusy. You put it on a hot day after your shower, and it makes you just cool, and everybody will compliment you. G and it is by, who makes it? Let me see. Who makes this stuff? G. Oh, it's a Revlon. Huh. Didn't know that. But it says, refresh, renew, and revitalize your senses with this lightly scented splash, enriched with a moisture replenishing complex of vitamin E and aloe vera to help leave your skin sleeker, smoother, and softer. The perfect finish to bath, shower, or a great pick-me-up in the middle of the day. Just splash it on anytime, anywhere. It's clean Nete. And it is, y'all, you need to try it if you've never tried it. It's very good, so refreshing. You almost think you could make lemonade out of it. It smells so good. But it won't make you smell like a lemon pledge. Don't worry about that. So, my little quickie review here of G. Go back to your roots, ladies.